What's up, YouTube? Listen, family, today's video, I want to go over a false breakout, guys, and I want to kind of illustrate for you on the charts today what to look for and how to take advantage of it on your future trading journey. Okay, we're going to also unpack the S&P 500 as well as other plays in the stock market on the day so that you know what's going down over the next couple days so that you can take advantage of it if you choose to. Okay, without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and dive into it. I want to kick the day off by saying major salute to those of you that did your thing on the day. I got all the screenshots, I got all the text messages and the emails of those of you that were able to do your thing and take advantage of the double bottom. I told you this whole entire week we're going to have a focus and an emphasis on simply playing the double bottom. Yep, there's plenty of different other setups and patterns to recognize in the market, but this week we are all collectively focused on playing the double bottom. So feel free to make money with other setups you see emerging, but also know that the double bottom is the focal point of this week. Okay, let's go ahead and dive into it. Okay, guys, I got the chart pulled up and we are on the 1 minute chart for teaching purposes, guys. And today I'm going to point out a few different things. Hopefully you all see just that grabs your attention, this double bottom right here. Okay, boom, boom. But you see it led to a nice move, like I told you guys it will always do. It shot up, it created a bull flag, it shot up, and then this is where the play, we call this a fake out breakout, okay, or a failed breakout, okay. And so when you have this, you have the stock come back down and comes right back into the range that it was sitting in prior to. Okay, and what you want to make sure that you don't do is be the person that buys here thinking the stock is going to continue its move up only to see the stock gets grabbed back down into this area. Okay, so this is called a fake out breakout, guys, and this is a pattern that I want you guys to start recognizing on your journey. Matter of fact, let me know if on your journey you have ever got hit with a fake out breakout. You thought the stock was going to continue to run, you saw it moving, you got FOMO, you start chasing, you jumped in only to see right when you get in it started to come back down. Okay, if that's ever happened to you, please let me know, guys. Again, it happens to the best of us, so I'm only teaching this to you because I know these are the common things that go down in the market. Okay, but listen, guys, what you want to pay attention to is the fact that when you see these breakouts, what typically happens is you have this line right here. This is the 200. This line right here is the 200 EMA. Okay, and that line on the 1 minute chart was trying to show you guys where resistance is at, because look at the other times. Look at here, guys. Look at how it didn't even get through. It got rejected at the line here. Okay, that's one. Look at here, guys, 2. Look at here, guys, 3. It got rejected. So you want to see, look at this attempt, 4. Okay, and then towards the end of the day it broke through, but you can even see in after hours it's already been grabbed and brought back down. Okay, so these 200-day moving averages on any time frame is something you want to be aware of. I often tell you guys you have to master all time frames. This is the 1 minute. You want to make sure you're in tune with what's going on and where it's located on a 2 minute, because I often get asked the question, Chris, how far can a stock run? Okay, oftentimes it's going to run to the next level of resistance. If it breaks resistance on the 1 minute, you may need to identify where that's at on the 2 minute or on the 5 minute. Okay, and that's one way, as you guys are starting your journey with basics of options, guys, you can start to know for yourself where you are going to kind of be met with some resistance at. Okay, but the fake out breakout is right here, and oftentimes, guys, it is the number one thing that again catches you up when you are caught chasing or you having the fear of missing out. So what you want to do is when you see a play take off and you know you missed it, okay, look at what it does. This is why I say let's go back and study. Look at what this ended up doing. After it ran, it came back down, it hit this 13, it bounced off this purple line, okay, and then bounced up. Become now that it's inside of this 13 EMA, this is the play I love right here. I love when I see this failed test of this green candle couldn't break back above this line. Now that's confirmation for me that this is going down. And then look at where the line crosses at, guys. Look at where that line crosses at right there. And that also took the play down further. You end up seeing this bear flag get made, and boom, that's a nice little play right there. So you learn to catch the top all the way to the bottom. That's a pretty nice move, guys, if you're able to catch it. Listen, man, I wanted to go through that with you all today. That is a fake out breakout, or otherwise what we call a failed breakout, and you often will see that. Okay, but you have to be aware on different time frames what is going on, what is the landscape. Okay, now when stocks get to clearing these different EMAs, then the stock can obviously run and do its thing. Okay, but you want to make sure that you are respecting these resistance levels, because oftentimes they get rejected, and that's a perfect place to buy a put. Okay guys, now we're going to take a look at the SPY and kind of break down what's going on and where this is at. But let me know if this was helpful. Okay, I went over with you guys with the charts on a fake out breakout. Okay, next I'm going to show you guys the fake breakdown. Okay, and all of these are just plays you guys can begin to take advantage of. Let me know down in the comments below if you have ever got hit with a fake out breakout, thinking the stock was going to keep going up only to see it come back down. Okay, it happens to all of us, guys. Just let me know if you see that. But check this out, guys. The SPY today had a crazy day in the market, sitting at 393.24 in after hours. Guys, today it was flat. Okay, and it was all day range bound at this 392 level. Okay, I kept seeing 392.90, 392.60, 392.80, 392.80. Okay, I kept seeing that level throughout the day, guys. And so I noticed no matter what move the stock made, it kept coming back down to this level. It even closed at around that level on today, getting a little bit over 393, but was coming from the depths at 345 at 392.73. That lets you know, guys, if we don't have a turnaround in the next 2 days, 390 is calling. Okay, 392 held up today, but look at this. Even in pre-market, we flirted with 391. We didn't come back there today. Don't be surprised if we go revisit it at some point during the downward slide on tomorrow. Okay, but let's go ahead and look at a week out. You just see every day this week the market has been going down, 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 and today it kind of flatlined a little bit and went flat. Okay, but look at this. 1 month out, we are right back at this level. If we're sitting here, the low 392.50, and then look at this low back at November 30th, 394.22, we're kind of in that same range, guys. Okay, and so if we lose this, guys, 390 is coming. But if 390 don't put up a fight, look at what's down here. Let me give you this level, 384 and 374, and it will be a quick move to those levels. So be mindful of what's at play. Okay, especially on the SPY. I tell you guys, everything flows from it. So if you want to have an inclination on how your other plays may move, you need to know, and what is the SPY doing? Is the SPY moving and grooving, or is the SPY getting tore up? Okay, it's just that simple, guys. And so yeah, on this particular chart, you see, guys, we are at a key level. Okay, this has been a level, this whole 392 393 range, and if we lose this, the next level is 390. Okay, that should be a level we find some support. To the upside, guys, you still have 395 though. You still have 397. Okay, 400 is still the goal to recapture and retest, but we got to wake up from the dead. We got to get some buying. We got to get some volume stepping in, because if not, it is a wrap, guys. Okay, and then up next, guys, we got Tesla. Tesla was down 3% today, or another nearly $6, and this one is sitting at 173.50 at the time of this recording in after hours. And look at this, guys, all day it hung around 172.70, 172.77. Look at all these bottoms. Now look at all these double bottoms though, and how it bounced every time. This is a bottom. If we were doing the chart work on this, this is a bottom, and then you seen Tesla bounce to around this 175 range. Okay, then you had this double top here, but it was sitting at 174, 175, but it came right back to that 172 level. Start paying attention to these chart patterns, guys. You will start recognizing so much. And I told you, master line charts as well as candlestick charts, so that on any chart you can start seeing and spotting and identifying these patterns. Okay, it's that key, it's that important. And then last but not least, look at Apple, guys. Apple is at a buy zone, so just be mindful of this. I'll probably put this in the Discord in the morning. If this cracks 140, I'm going to give you guys a buy signal alert that, hey, for my long-term holders, it is time to nibble, aka dollar cost average. You guys know I like Apple. I start my positions at 140 and below. What do? You buy 1 or 2 shares at this level. If it come to 135, you buy 2 or 3 shares. If it come to 130, you buy 3 to 5 shares, and you just build your position out slowly but surely on your journey. Okay, so be mindful of that. Apple is also a big dog in the game, and look at this. For the last week, it too has been going down, 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 down. And so it's due for a bounce, just like the SPY is due for a bounce. But don't front run it. Wait for confirmation, okay? If we go 1 month out on Apple, you see it's sitting right here at 140.58. That's where it was at back in November. And guys, we're right back there now. Okay, so if we don't bounce from here, we got a lot lower to go. Okay, around this 134 level. Okay, but if we do bounce from here, you guys know Apple is pretty obvious. It loves 143, 145, 147, and 150. Okay, it'll be going right back there, and that's a quick way to make some nice money on your journey. Okay, but listen, guys, again, major salute to those of you that has continuously came to learn, put in the work. I love to see the incremental progress every single day. I just want to encourage you guys to keep it up. Get with me if you need to with one-on-one coaching for charting for beginners, or just teaching you guys to make sure you're building your portfolios properly. Also, don't forget to join the money team and our weekly option plays if you guys want to know the right place to be in to take advantage of this market. Okay, and of course we got the Discord that's inclusive of everybody. Okay, and so you guys can get in there for some everyday learning, for a great community and an awesome time each and every day. Okay, listen, guys, I hope this video added some value to you. Do me a favor, if you like this one, make sure you like and subscribe. Please make sure you join the Discord. Remember, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result, very few consider the journey. So do me a favor, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.